The sound of love. When you lose your loved one, when you lose your loved one, there's no coming back from that. When you lose a family member, there's no love. There's no coming back from that. When you miss your loved one, your partner crying, there's no coming back from that. Peace. Be still. Everybody must be loved. Family, friends, cousins, brothers, sisters, and all that. This comes from your boy, A. Campbell. This the second track of me, what love is all about. Everybody should be loved. In your community should be loved. Peace out, my brothers and sisters.